Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a basic custom header in your Divi WordPress website. So let's log in into our website, and after that in the dashboard here you can find out Divi theme builder. Now here you can see Divi theme builder has global options for the header, body and footer. Then click here, global header. You can also add pre-made header templates. So now at this time we can use this layout. Now after that just we can add logo image. I can select just for example, and after that we can set size. Alright, after that now let's add menu. Here you can see these are the menus that we recently created. After that for the menu alignment you can see the options, menu text. Now scroll down and let's align the menu on the right side. Okay. After that now let's go to section design, spacing, padding 0, top bottom. Okay, and after that we can also reduce the padding for the row, spacing, then padding 0. Okay, now here you can see text is on the top and logo is on the below. So just we can add some padding for the content on the second column, spacing from the top, so we can increase the value until it will be okay. Alright, and for the font size just we can increase menu text size. Okay, after that you can add many of the items, for example social icons and many more. So this is just for basic example. Now click save and then refresh it. Let's go back and click save changes. So now you can see there is a global header